Integration. Explain that chemical coordination and integration involve the complex interplay of hormones and the endocrine system in regulating various bodily functions. Introduce our curious character, Ethan, as he sets out on a fascinating journey to explore the intricate world of chemical coordination and integration. The endocrine system. Visualize Ethan entering the endocrine system, highlighting the key glands involved: hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal glands, pancreas, and reproduce. Explain the significance of these glands in producing and releasing hormones, which act as chemical messengers in the body. Hormones, messengers of control. Explain the role of hormones in chemical coordination and integration. Illustrate how hormones are released into the bloodstream and travel to target cells or organs. Highlight the concept of specificity, where hormones bind to specific receptors on target cells to initiate a response. Hypothalamus and pituitary gland, masters of control. Focus on the hypothalamus and pituitary gland, the master regulators of the endocrine system. Explain the hypothalamus's role in controlling the pituitary gland through the release of regulatory hormones. Discuss the different hormones produced by the anterior and posterior pituitary gland and their respective functions. Thyroid gland, metabolic maestro. Explore the thyroid gland's role in regulating metabolism. Highlight the production and release of thyroid hormones, thyroxine and triiodothyronine, and their effects on energy production, growth, and development. Discuss the importance of iodine in thyroid hormone synthesis. Adrenal glands, responding to stress. Showcase the adrenal glands' response to stress and their role in the fight or flight response. Explain the production and release of adrenaline and cortisol, hormones that increase heart rate, blood pressure, and mobilize energy reserves. Discuss the long-term effects of chronic stress on the body. Pancreas, blood sugar balancer. Explore the role of the pancreas in regulating blood sugar levels. Explain the production and release of insulin and glucagon, hormones involved in glucose homeostasis. Discuss the disruption of insulin production and its connection to diabetes. Reproductive hormones, life's precious cycle. Highlight the role of reproductive glands, ovaries and testes, in the production of sex hormones, estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Explain the menstrual cycle in females and the role of hormones in regulating ovulation and pregnancy. Discuss the impact of hormonal imbalances on reproductive health. Additional insights, real-life problems, and questions. Insights. Explain the concept of negative feedback loops, where hormones regulate their own production through inhibitory mechanisms. Discuss the influence of environmental factors, such as endocrine disrupting chemicals, on hormonal balance. Real-life problems. Explore the impact of hormonal disorders, such as hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, and polycystic ovary syndrome, POS, on individuals' well-being. Discuss the effects of hormonal changes during puberty and menopause on physical and emotional health. Highlight the challenges faced by individuals with hormonal imbalances and the importance of diagnosis, treatment, and support. Questions: Basic to Advanced. What is chemical coordination and integration in the body? Name the key glands involved in the endocrine system. How do hormones function as chemical messengers? Explain the role of the hypothalamus and pituitary gland in hormonal control. What are the functions of thyroid hormones in the body? How do the adrenal glands respond to stress? Discuss the role of insulin and glucagon in blood sugar regulation. How do reproductive hormones influence the menstrual cycle and pregnancy? What are some common hormonal disorders and their effects? How can environmental factors affect hormonal balance?